Hello, welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we discussed how the fractions are multiplied with the whole numbers. In today's video, we'll be discussing how the fractions are multiplied with other fractions. It may sound tricky, but it's very much easy. Let's visualize the multiplying fractions. For example, you have a square or rectangle. In this example, we have the 3 rows and the 4 columns and 12 boxes total. 2/3 means the 2 rows and 3/4 means the 3 columns. And the overlap is an answer, which is the 6 boxes out of total. It may sound tricky to you. Let's discuss this an example with the golden rule, and I hope you understand this rule very much in multiplying fractions. This rule is so golden, as you can see that. Okay, we have two fractions, a by b and c by d. This rule explains that you have to multiply the numerator in the numerator section and the denominator in the denominator section separately. As you can see that answer, and you're very smart and you can also solve it by yourself. Okay, let's apply an example in this concept. I have a pizza, half pizza. I want to multiply the half pizza 1 by 2, 1 by 2. After multiplying that, I get the answer 1 by 4. You know the golden rule. I hope you get it very much. Let's apply this concept in another example, which is shopping discount. The first discount offers 1 by 2 off, and the second discount is 1 by 3 off. Okay, I want to get the total discount. Okay, after multiplying the numerator and the denominator separately, I got the answer 1 by 6, and you got the original discount and you can buy your stuff. Okay, now it's time for you to try some questions. We have the two fractions, 3 by 8 and 5 by 6. I will not tell you. You have to pause the video and solve it by yourself. I will give you the hint. You have to multiply the numerators and the denominators separately. You will get the answer in the below. Okay, what about multiplying the three fractions? It may sound tricky and difficult to you. I know that. It was tricky for me too when I was young. Okay, it is the same concept. You have to multiply the numerator and the denominator separately, as you can see in this example. But remember, you have to simplify your answer, as I have simplified in this slide. Okay, let's discuss the reason why we get the answer much smaller than the fraction we multiplied. For example, 2 by 3 is equivalent to 0.6 and 3 by 4 is equivalent to 0.7. After multiplying, I got the answer 6 by 12 and simplifying 1 by 2, which is 0.5. As you can see, the section is smaller and the fraction is also smaller. And you will get the smaller fraction by multiplying the two proper fractions. Okay, let's discuss the mistake that we make while multiplying fractions. Most of the people, including me when I was young, while I was tricking, I forgot to multiply the denominator. Don't repeat the mistake. Be careful while doing that. Okay, it's time to summarize the whole topic in some few seconds. Okay, 3 steps explanation. First of all, you have to multiply the numerator separately and the denominator in the below. And at the last, you have to simplify your answers to get the proper result. That's all. I hope you'll like this video. In the next video, we'll be discussing dividing fractions. Subscribe.